think it's recording, baby. Yeah, so you're gonna help me fill this one. Let's see. Like the big seeds are for the most part empty, open and empty. I think they are. I think so. Oh, I think they are. What do you think, baby? See here. Okie dokie. What y'all looking at? What y'all looking at? What you looking at? You looking at, man? What you looking at, man? Okay, so the front feeder is filled now also. It's a beautiful day. I don't even know what time it is. I don't care. I'm going to shampoo my hair and condition it and come out here and let it blow dry. Hair dry, blow dry, sun dry, and all that stuff. Oh, I got to redo the hummingbird. Let's see. Feeder. I haven't seen the hummingbird, actually. Yeah, I want to put some fresh water in there. Fresh sugar water. Okay. Go make some fresh sugar water for the hummingbird. Redo that, refill that too. All right.